We know that the plant can only release oxygen during the daytime. Most plants that produce oxygen at night are succulents and cacti, but some house plants also produce oxygen at night, helping keep your bedroom fresh and improving sleep quality. Plants that release oxygen at night can contribute to living a healthy life. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Surupa Diaries. Let's check the plant that release oxygen at night and good for bedroom. Number 1 is bamboo palm. The bamboo palm, also known as the reed palm, is effective at purifying indoor air by removing pollutants like formaldehyde and benzene. It releases oxygen at night, making it suitable plant for your bedroom. Next is spider plant. The spider plant is another great house plant for boosting oxygen. Beyond its beauty, its ability to produce oxygen at night, the spider plant can withstand neglect for some days and still maintain its stunning beauty. Next is peace lily. Peace lily is one of the best indoor plant that releases oxygen at night also. Its attractive white flower make it one of the best plant for your bedroom. Next is gerbera. Gerbera is a flowering plant that releases oxygen at night too, making the environment fresh. Keep a gerbera plant in bedroom and the living room. Next is snake plant. The snake plant is one of the most popular plant producing night oxygen. This indoor plant has a fleshy, sword-like leaves that look great in any room. Snake plant is low maintenance as it can survive under indirect light, infrequent watering and limited fertilization. Next in my list is lavender. Lavender not only adds a soothing aroma to your bedroom, but it also releases oxygen during the night. Its calming scent can promote relaxation and improve the sleep quality. Next is golden pothos. Popularly known as the devil's kiwi, golden pothos have climbing heart-shaped leaves on long vines. This plant has several benefits above producing oxygen at night. It absorbs toxin from indoor air and requires minimal maintenance. Last but not the least is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent with fleshy leaf. It is well known for its medicinal properties. In addition, aloe vera has excellent resistance to pests and diseases, further making it a low maintenance plant. So it is also very good for the bedroom. So friends, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you in some other video.